In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Discover tab. Think of the Discover tab in Perplexity as your personalized AI-powered newsfeed. It's designed to keep you informed in real time, surfacing the most relevant updates across areas like technology, science, and finance without you having to hunt around the web. To get started, open Perplexity and head to the sidebar. You'll see the Discover option there. Click it and you'll land on a dynamic feed of trending topics. This page updates as news and research evolve, so what you see is always fresh and timely. The layout is built around cards. Each card highlights a key topic or development and includes links to direct sources. Those sources are your shortcut to original reporting, official announcements, research papers, or expert analysis. Browse the feed and pause on anything that catches your eye. When you open a card, you'll usually see a concise snapshot of what's happening, plus a set of links. If you want the full picture, follow those links to read the original source material. It's a great way to validate what you're seeing, compare perspectives, and dive as deep as you want. If something seems important, consider opening links in new tabs so you can come back to the Discover feed without losing your place. One of the best parts of Discover is how it encourages exploration. Topics span multiple domains, so if you're into tech policy, scientific breakthroughs, market moves, or all of the above, the feed adapts to what's relevant right now. If you notice a theme you care about, say a new AI model or a medical study, use the linked sources to build context, then return to the feed for related angles and follow-on updates. Don't forget you can ask follow-up questions right from Perplexity. After you've read a card or checked a source, type a question to clarify details, request a plain English explanation, or compare viewpoints. This is especially useful when a topic is complex or developing. For example, you might ask for a summary of the key takeaways, a timeline of events, or an explanation of why experts disagree. The goal is to move from just reading updates to actually understanding them. Make Discover part of your routine. Check it for a quick briefing, scan the most relevant cards, open direct sources for depth, and use follow-up questions to fill in gaps. With this flow, you'll stay updated efficiently and confidently, with the original sources always a click away.